Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, but what we'll be doing actually may work on Chrysler 200 as well, since both of them share the same platform, guys, and for certain years they share quite a few parts. I would say probably 70% of the parts are the same on those vehicles, guys. So what we'll be doing today, we'll show you guys how to remove and how to replace blend door actuator. This is, guys, okay, a 2015 Dodge Dart that we'll be working on. Depending on the configuration, you may have one blend door actuator, you may have two of them. You have two of them, guys, if you have the dual climate controls. This is the actuator that actually opens and closes the flaps and regulates the temperature, so you have cold or hot air blowing through the air vents. So that's what we'll be doing today. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. And why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy replacement blend door actuator, car parts, tools, anything like that, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can get car parts, tools, anything pretty much for a super good price, fast shipping as well. So let me show you now, guys. Okay, we're working here on 2015, as I said, Dodge Dart, but it should cover the Chrysler 200 for certain years as well. We'll have more information in the description of the video below. So this one has the dual climate control, so we'll have two blend door actuators. Now if you have single climate control, you have one of them, and we'll explain where that one is located. So let's go ahead and explain on this one now, guys. So this is for the driver side, guys. Okay, driver side is right here now. Okay, blend door actuator will be on the left side, passenger side will be on the right side. And how you access the driver side, guys, stay with us, we're going to cover that. Okay, if you come through, okay, through right here, you can, guys, access it, okay, from underneath, but I won't be able to show you on this side so good, so I will go actually to the passenger side and demonstrate on the passenger side and show you what needs to be done there, which is not very complicated at all. But what you will need to do, guys, you will need to remove your glove box assembly. Okay, that glove box assembly needs to come out all the way, guys. If you want to see the video how to remove the glove box assembly, okay, the whole glove box assembly, check out the video, guys. It will be on the channel and you can see how to do that. So I will get it out now so it's not in the way. Once you remove, guys, your glove box assembly, check it out now. Okay, right here, if you come right here now, guys, okay, let me move a few stuff here so I can show you that device, guys. Okay, right here, this device, this is your blend door actuator, and you have one on the right side as well, and you can see that blend door actuator. Okay, if I actually position the light, okay, like that, it's this thing right here. Now we, guys, okay, we actually have two screws that we need to remove with 732 socket, guys, and one of them is access it through right here. You have to be extremely careful because that's the passenger knee airbag, and that thing can explode and kill you anytime, guys. So you have to be extremely, okay, extremely careful around here. So one is out, one screw is out, guys. We just have one more on top now. Okay, check it out. I'm working on that one now. We're almost done there. Perfect, second screw. Now I'm going to come on the bottom, guys, okay, right here, and let me show you what we have here now. Okay, I'm trying to get a little bit of light. Okay, perfect. We have one more screw that we need to get loose. Right here, perfect. So that being said, guys, now, okay, I can go ahead and pull the blend door actuator out, and now I will have somebody, okay, hold the camera, okay, like that, so I can disconnect it now. Give me just a second now. Okay, just like that. Okay, perfect. So this is the blend door actuator. Only thing, okay, press down here. There is one thing that you need to press in and disconnect the wire, but let's hold it from like right here if we can, so I can grab it with two hands, because that thing is tight, guys, tight clip, and I won't be able to remove it with one hand. And this, guys, right here is the blend door actuator out of the car. Okay, you can see like that. This is the one that actually regulates hot and cold air. And what goes bad in those, we have a video that we open one, took it apart, and we show you what goes wrong. But you have plastic gears inside, sometimes they crack, they wear out, it starts skipping, and it becomes noisy, or it doesn't change, guys, from hot to cold. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. If you need to purchase a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.